Hello guys, we are going to learn how to change your cursor and pointer design, how to add a new animation type designs on your pointer on your cursor. So let's go. Before this, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification and like this video. Also comment on which topic you want a new video. Okay, however, I will going to show you how to do that. First, go open your Chrome and search pointer design. Click on the first website, which is Sweezy Cursors. Here you can find too many different types of cursors. Wow, and beautiful. However, you can search here whatever cursor design you want, such as see, I am showing my search cursor as a Sukuna's cursed hand. Okay, which this one I have downloaded. Okay, whatever, today I'm going to download a new one for you guys. Okay, suppose suppose I want sword. Okay, I want sword or Luffy. Okay, I want sword, 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 and I will search for it. See, too many swords. Here Minecraft designs and other types of designs also comes later. Here see a sword came. Here don't know something will come. Okay, whatever. For you, I'm going to show you. Suppose I'm going to add this one. Okay, I will click on there. This is Luffy de Luffy. Whoever watched this anime, please comment below. Here I will click on the download button, pointer, and then done. Our pointer will be downloaded. See, look at here, it's been downloading. Okay, and then we will download the cursor too. I will click here and look at here, it's downloading too. Okay, now go to your this PC, go to your download. See, here our two Counter Strikes has been downloaded. Just kidding guys, as a gamer मेरे मुंह से कुछ भी निकल जाता है. Go to personalizations, search here and pointer pointer style. Search for the pointer style. Customize pointer. What is customer? Okay, wow. Sure, click on the browser and search. Okay, you select the picture you have downloaded and then just open it. And look at you, guys. Look at you. It's been downloading. It's been downloading. See here. I have downloaded the best cursor. If I want to change I will change this one too and give a Luffy the Luffy, such as C. Okay, such as here. Okay, whatever. I can add such as here. Why it's not changing in Luffy the Luffy? Okay, whatever it will. See, it's changed into Luffy the Luffy. See, it's changed into Luffy the Luffy. Okay, whatever. So subscribe to my channel to get amazing types of videos to do. I will taught you how to change your pointer and cursor. Meet you in the next video with amazing things.